What's up, guys?
Welcome back to Not Bad Parents.
Sounds good to me. Is that a question?
Yes.
Okay. So today we're doing a video as part of a group, and we're gonna build our own Pixie House or Fairy House. And I'm kind of excited because we're gonna reuse some of the old boxes and cardboard that we have around the house. We're gonna go look outside and find some stuff to use. And Michelle is gonna do most, if not all, of the work while I supervise and use the sharp things.
Sounds pretty good.
Do you have an idea in mind for your fairy house?
Yes.
What's your idea?
You'll have to wait and see. Stay tuned.
Cliffhanger.
Of course you have to B-roll it.
Oh yeah. All right, dude, the other thing that we need,
Sticks.
sticks and maybe pine cones and grass and all kinds of stuff to put around it, right?
Yeah.
Cool. I think I know where we can find some pine cones.
Where?
Come with me.
Okay.
What do you think of this thing? Can we use it?
Heck yeah.
All right, let's bring it. Miles was throwing pine cones on the fire we had the other night.
Perfect.
So I've got 3 pine cones?
Yeah.
All right, are we ready to start building?
Yeah.
Let's go. All right, we got everything we need. I'm excited, are you?
Yes.
All right, you're the creator here. You are the crafter. You're the master of this. What do you think we should start with?
I feel like we should start with like the entryway.
Okay. All right, so what do you want to use for the base? This looks like a nice piece of cardboard for a base.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah.
All right, I think we'll start here, and then maybe we can get some grass and cover it.
Yeah.
Need some grass? Okay, I think there's still some grass outside. Now, I've got this, and I had an idea for Rapunzel's tower. Hold on, let's do this.
What do you mean it's the wrong way?
That's fine. Just wait and watch. Fairies love the rain.
On their cardboard house.
Yep. Ah!
Timber!
All right, we had a great idea at first. It was not a great idea.
No.
We have a new great idea, and it might be a great idea.
I know that for a fact, but...
I love taping stuff.
What about poor lonely Mr. Glue?
Mr. Glue is not gluing very well today. All right, let's turn the stinker around and see if we can tape the inside up. Yes.
Over here is like just going, like keep going.
Yeah, there's not going to be an awning on that side. It's not the most structurally sound.
Yeah. We can't even. Our hand can't even fit in the doorway.
Ah! Don't break it! All right, this is the structure for the fairy house that Michelle will be decorating for us right now. I want to see you work, kid. I should have been an architect. I like the slant on this side and how it sits here like that. Don't you like that?
Sure.
Oh, come on, you don't like it?
I like it. I said
All
sure.
right, whatever. Here's all your stuff.
That was a mistake.
You put dirt in here?
I did not put dirt. I put these things.
Oh, you picked it up with a bunch of dirt.
So.
Didn't see that coming.
My material.
All right. Young lady,
Yes.
if you would please begin decorating.
Okay.
We did it.
Yes, we did.
We made our Pixie House.
Yes.
Tell me about your design.
Our design.
Your design. You did it.
Be so careful.
I know.
Okay.
So let's look at the roof. Tell me about the roof.
So we kind of did just like an artsy roof. We just put things on there.
We put stuff on there. We put some twigs and some little buds from the leaves, and there's some little pieces of pine cone that we tore off. And then we figured that pixies would kind of find stuff in the woods and just put it on their house, right?
Yeah.
So that's what the pipe cleaner is. And along the sides, we have popsicle sticks
This
for
is
theirs.
our chimney.
This is the chimney. And more sticks and pine needles and pine cone pieces.
I'm still adding.
And on the front, home, sweet home. And I really hope that the Pixie fairies love our house that we made for them.
I hope they decorate it for us.
Me too. Where are we gonna put it? Should we leave it right on the porch?
No.
Okay, where?
Too obvious.
All right, here's where our Pixie house is gonna live. Right next to this tree. And our tree swing. We'll see you guys next time.
Bye.
Bye.